top of the roof, on top of the roof.
Where, nigga?
Come here, come here.
I interrupted this to tell you that the game link will actually be in the description. And this is the game link. It is not dropped yet. Yeah, it has not dropped. If you go, and I'll also put the Discord link in the description, because the Discord is a pretty good Discord. It's got members, stuff like that. I'm gonna come around the cut. Yeah. Stinky butt. Stinky butt.
I got W8.
Shut up, stinky butt.
Let's go.
What the hell?
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly dick in the head.
What the hell is it?
Key tech, bro. Come here.
We can't bro. Shut the door. We got real ups out here.
Fake Nike tech, bruh. Look at the fake Nike tech.
I'm rocking with it for real. It's mad ugly. I'm not gonna purr.
This is called new locker. It should be fake locker, bro. Because they got that fake dude.
Fake locker is crazy.
Jeez.
Where we going, boy?
Right here, right here.
Who house is this, bro? Wait, house. Give us everything.
Oh, yeah.
Nigger. Oh, please. That's the end of this little short video I'm making. Pussy boy. That's the end of the short video I was making. I'm back. A lot of stuff was happening. That's why I didn't post. My bad. Shut up. I don't care. I'm gonna post more. And there's this new game coming out called... Damn, I forgot. I suffer from short-term memory loss.
Yo, bitch ass up. Get the fuck up, you nasty bitch. Nobody gives a shit.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Boy, if you don't shut your...
So, yeah. Fuck you, nigga.